Hi, in this video I will share how to set up and control your MD10-POT in less than a minute. Step 1. Connect the potentiometer. Step 2. Connect the switch. Both these components are included with the MD10-POT. Step 3. Connect the battery. And don't forget to check the polarity. Step 4. Connect your DC brush motor. And the setup is complete, which is less than a minute. Now you can control your motor using the switch, and the speed can be adjusted using the potentiometer. You can also change the motor rotation direction using the switch, and of course the speed using the potentiometer. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.